Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Welcome to all of you in grade 9. And I think
Thanks, sir.
all of you are familiar with me, my behavior and everything. So we are starting our course of content of grade 9 compulsory mathematics from today onward. We'll continue it from today. At first, just I want to discuss the course of content of grade 9 with you. For that, let me share my screen. A folder is there for you. It is made just for teaching in grade 9 for online classes. All chapters are here. And before looking at these all PowerPoint slides, let's go to our book. Do you have your mathematics book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
If you don't have your book, let me tell you the website from where you can download. Okay, I'm giving copy of this in chat also. You can download it from chat of Zoom. यहाँबाट पनि डाउनलोड गर्न मिल्छ. If you have laptop or PC, laptop र PC छ भने यहाँबाट पनि डाउनलोड गर्न मिल्छ. Okay, otherwise I'll send it in your messenger also. Just wait, I am sending it in chat. Did you got it in chat? Zoom को chat में book को file भेटियो कि भेटिएन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you did not get it, I'll provide it in your messenger or look at the website. You can search. Are you observing my screen?
Yes, sir.
CDC library. You can search it in Google. Then you will get this website moecdc.gov.np, Curriculum Development Center. Click on that. And after that, we have to go in textbook. यहाँनिर एउटा textbook भन्ने देखिँदैछ. You can observe it. जुन यो textbook देखिँदैछ यसमा click गर्नु पर्यो. Then after clicking on it, you will get this type of new window. And here are the textbook of grade 1, grade 2, all grades textbook are there. We have to search for grade 9, textbook of grade 9. This is for technical and vocation, textbook of grade 9. This is for you. यो टेक्निकल कोर्सको लागि हो तलपट्टिको. यहाँ माथिपट्टिकोमा जानु पर्यो. म्याथमेटिक्स ग्रेड 9 इङ्ग्लिस भर्जन करिकुलम डेभलपमेन्ट सेन्टर. यहाँ यो प्लस जुन पोइन्ट छ डिटेल भनेर भनेको छ. आफ्टर पोइन्टिङ आवर माउस अन इट, इट इज सेइङ डिटेल्स. So here we have to click, then you will get this one. यहाँ तलपट्टि यसो देखिन्छ authors, edition, statement, everything. And link for e-copy भनेको छ. Link for e-copy. After copying this one or after clicking this one, we will go to the download page. यो e-copy को पेजमा गयो भने यहाँबाट डाउनलोड हुन्छ.
सर हामीले यो सीडीसी को मात्र किन्नु पर्छ कि सर?
Book of CDC is your textbook and another book you can buy, that is your reference book. जुन अस्ति तिमीहरुलाई list provide गरेको थियो, from that list another reference book is also there. That is for extra practice. That is not necessary. At least you have to buy the textbook which is in the list. Okay, it's taking a bit time. I will send it to your messenger also. Oh, Sandeep already sent here. Either you can download from here the file which Sandeep have sent here, or you can download by clicking on this link. After clicking on this link which I have provided you here in messenger, यो लिंकमा क्लिक गरेपछि अहिले भर्खर यो सीडीसी ई लाइब्रेरी भन्ने यहाँ म्याथमेटिक्स ग्रेड 9 इंग्लिश भर्जन देखाए, त्यही यहाँ पनि देखाउँछ. एन्ड फ्रम हियर we have to click on download option. 2.5 MB को फाइल छ. And after clicking on download, it will be downloaded on your device, either on your mobile phone or on your laptop or PC. Then download huncha. I have already downloaded. So actually I don't want to download it now again. So do you get the procedure? If you don't have hard copy of your book, तिमीहरुसँग book छैन भने यहाँबाट download गर्ने, त्यहाँबाट पढ्ने. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You can get other books also, not only mathematics. These are other English, health, moral education. Sorry, these are of 8 class, 9 class. Computer science, English. This one is mathematics. Next, optional mathematics, optional science. This is not in your curriculum of our school. Optional English is also not there. You can download these books from here. Okay, this is the process to download the book. Now let's look at this book. What is there inside it? Discuss on that. Okay, are you observing the page of contents here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These chapters you have learned in previous classes also. sets, profit and loss. As you learned in grade, same topics, same contents are here in chapter of set also. And in profit and loss also, similar content is here in grade 9. So these both chapters are not difficult for you. Easily you can learn it. There is no much problem in it. Next thing is commission and taxation. This one is a bit different, but you have learned about the tax, that means VAT. After giving discount, adding VAT, such type of question you have learned there. त्यस्तै question हो यो पनि. त्यहाँ कमिसन, अब यहाँ हामीले कुनै आर्टिकलमा कुनै सामान बेचिदिए बापत बेचाइदिने मान्छेले पाउने पैसा, that is called commission. Money received by agent by selling something, for selling something, that is commission. And about that we learn here, which is the topic used in our daily life also. हाम्रो daily life मा घर जग्गा बेचिदिने मान्छे, or a person who can sell our any property, not only land and homes, or we can say real estate agent बाहेक यहाँ अरु पनि एजेन्टहरु छन्, जस्तो लाइफ इन्स्योरेन्स गर्ने एजेन्टहरु छन्, and some other type of property agents. And similarly, commission is given to salesmen also sometimes in some shops. पसलहरुमा यतिसम्मको बेच्यो भने यतिसम्म कमिसन तिमीहरुले पाउँछौ भने तो क्या हुन्छ. About those things also we'll discuss here. And we'll discuss about new topic here is income tax. A VAT जो भ्यालु एडेड ट्याक्स थियो त्यसको बारेमा त हामीले पहिलादेखि पनि पढ्दै आइरहेछौँ. त्यसपछि यहाँनिर हामीले सर्भिस ट्याक्स, इन्कम ट्याक्स तिनीहरूको बारेमा पनि पढ्छौँ. Next one is home arithmetic. In this home arithmetic, especially the topic related to bills of our home. हाम्रो घरमा खानेपानीको बिल, टेलिकमको बिल और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल हो, यिनीहरूको क्याल्कुलेसन हामी यहाँ गर्छौँ. ट्याक्सी फेयर, घरबाट ट्याक्सीमा चढेर कहीँ जाँदाखेरि हामीले कति भाडा तिर्नुपर्छ, ट्याक्सीहरूको नाइटको ट्याक्सी रेट अलग हुन्छ, डे टाइमको ट्याक्सी भाडा अलग हुन्छ. About that we'll discuss in the topic of home arithmetic. Similarly, this topic of area you have learned in previous class also. Yeah, triangle, quadrilateral, and a new thing is area of paths. बाटोहरुको एरिया पनि हामी निकाल्छौँ. External path, internal path, cross path. About such type of paths we'll calculate the area here in this chapter. Other formula as well as topics related to area are same as your previous grade 8 and grade 7. Similarly, solids. About solids also lots of things you have learned in grade 8. त्यहाँ पढेको बाहेक सोलिडहरुको यहाँ पिरामिडहरु अनि different type of solidsहरु, different type of solids, that means our structure of ladder, steps, similarly structure L-shaped structure तिनीहरुमा बनेका सोलिडहरु, तिनीहरुको बारेमा पनि हामी यहाँ डिस्कस गर्छौं. And algebraic expressions you have learned in grade 8 also. Indices पनि पढेकै छौ. Ratio and proportion, this chapter was included here in arithmetic. Arithmetic portion मा include थियो अघिल्लो वर्ष 8 class or 7 class मा ratio and proportion, but here ratio and proportion chapter is included in algebra. यो यहाँदेखि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेसन सम्म अल्जेब्रा को पोर्सन हो. जस्ट रिमेम्बर द टपिक्स: algebraic expression, indices, ratio and proportion, linear equation, quadratic equation. These are the topic related to algebra. 5 topics are there inside the algebra, and these topics, area, solids, these two are inside the mensuration. यिनीहरुलाई mensuration भन्छ हामी. त्योभन्दा अगाडिको arithmetic. And after that there is the chapter of geometry. From the chapter number 12, geometry starts here up to chapter of circles. यहाँसम्म geometry छ. And in chapter of algebraic expression also, about equations we learned in grade 8, and those equations are divided into 2 parts here: linear equations and quadratic equation. 2 part मा divide गरेर यहाँ पढ्नु पर्छ हामीले. And in chapter of triangles we learn about experimental verifications as well as theoretical proofs also. In grade 8 we learned about experimental verifications. Thus the sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. We learned about that, isn't it? Similarly, exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of 2 opposite interior angle. त्यो experimental verification हरु grade 8 मा पनि गर्यौं. तिनै experimental verifications हरु plus theoretical proofs of same theorems we'll do here. And in parallelogram chapter also, area of parallelogram, similarly some experimental verification as well as theoretical proofs are there. In chapter of construction, a bit new thing you will get here, except grade 8 को बाहेक अलिअलि नयाँ कुराहरू आउँछ, others are similar things. And in chapter of similarity, how we can say two figure or more figures are similar to each other, two triangles, two parallelograms, or two any other objects, either regular objects or irregular objects, how they will be similar, about that we'll discuss here. And in chapter of circle, areas as well as some theorems, experimental verifications we'll do here. And trigonometry, you learned about trigonometry in optional mathematics of grade 8. The optional mathematics मा पढेको trigonometry बाहेक केही नयाँ कुराहरू यहाँ थपिन्छ in mathematics. And more about trigonometry you learn in the chapter of trigonometry in optional mathematics, who are optional math student who choose the optional math. यसको बारेमा डिटेल त्यहाँ पढ्छौ तिमीहरू optional math मा. यहाँ अलिअलि जनरल कुराहरू मात्रै छन् as you learned in grade 8. And in statistics, as you learned in grade 8, mean, median, mode, and quartiles. Similarly, histogram, pie chart, bar graph, line graph, about these things we'll learn here in statistics chapter. And this probability is new for you. Probability हामीले पहिला पढेको भन्दा फरक अहिलेसम्म नपढेको टपिक हो. This we haven't learned till now. यहाँ माथिका टपिकहरू लगभग सबै देखेको टपिक हुन्. सेट, प्रॉफिट लॉस, taxation देखेकै हो. commission chapter, commission is new. Then also taxation we have learned, and commission, about commission general concept you know. गाउँ घरमा पनि थाहा छ केही कुरा बेच्दिए बापत किन्दिए बापत कसले कमिसन लिन्छ कति लिन्छ लगभग डिस्कस भइराखेकै टपिक हो. होम अर्थमेटिक इज न्यू फर यु. कमिसन, होम अर्थमेटिक. Similarly, from here, probability. These topics are new for you. All other topics you have learned in previous classes also. Okay, now let us discuss about some topic related to exam point of view. Just look at this one. Specification grid for final term examination. Question pattern will be like this. Grade 8 सम्म अलग pattern छ भने grade 9 and 10. That means for grade 9 and ACE, pattern is same. That means there are questions of 1 marks, 2 marks, 4 marks, and 5 marks in grade 9 as well as 10. This 1 KB means knowledge based question. Knowledge based question 1 marks को you profit and loss मा मात्रै देखाएको छ. There is a bit mistake. यो हुनुपर्ने के हो? This is the question from chapter profit loss, commission taxation, and household arithmetic. यो तीनटाबाट एउटा क्वेशन आउने हो. Question related to 1 marks. Similarly, from mensuration and solid shape, are you observing these shadows? Pink shadow, yellow shadow. From these two chapters, questions of 1 marks. This is the specification grid for final exam. Okay, first term, second term को फरक हुन सक्छ. Final exam को लागि यस्तो pattern हुन्छ. यो हेरिराखौं. Chapter of mensuration and solid shape, question of 1 marks. From profit and loss, question of profit and loss, commission taxation, household arithmetic. This is the question for 1 mark. Similarly, from chapter of algebra, पूरे algebra को जति पनि टपिकहरु छन्, factorization, indices, ratio, proportion, simultaneous equation, quadratic equation, from these all chapter there will be one question for 1 mark from these chapters from here. That means total how many chapters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 marks. And this next one, UB means understanding based, knowledge based. KB, UB understanding based questions. From geometry, triangle, parallelogram, construction, similarity, triangle and parallelogram. From these two chapters, question of 1 mark. Similarly, similarity and circle, question of 1 marks. And next one from statistics, question of 1 marks. These will be there. 6 marks. यसरी आउने भो. Understanding based questions, knowledge based questions. तिमीले के बुझ्यौ भन्ने कुरा understanding based मा आयो. पढाइसकेपछि बुझ्ने कुरा, formula use गर्ने कुरा. Knowledge based, you know about formula or not, you know about topic or not, that is knowledge based question. Similarly 2 marks question, यो 2 marks question हाम्रो total 17 हुन्छ. 17 to the 34. You may take a screenshot of this one, understanding based question, and this is personal skills PS KB, knowledge based, skill based SB, PS problem solving, sorry, problem solving, skill based, understanding based. These full forms are given here also. त्यसपछि 4 marks question, 10 questions will be there. 10 questions from chapter of statistics, from chapter of circle, from chapter of construction, from chapter of triangles, from chapter of simultaneous equation and quadratic equation. यो जुन यहाँनिर देखाएको छ नि यतापट्टि यो दुईटैमा 2 marks र 4 marks, these are the question of 2 marks and these are the questions of 4 marks. यिनीहरु मध्ये simultaneous equation र quadratic equation को question मा if short question 2 marks is asked from simultaneous, it comes from quadratic equation. यो एउटै लाइनमा हुँदैन है, एउटा simultaneous मा भयो भने अर्को quadratic आउँछ. यहाँ quadratic equation question आयो भने यतापट्टि simultaneous equation को question आउँछ. दुईटै question एउटै chapter बाट आउँदैनन्. From factorization 2 marks on this may be 5 marks question. यो algebra बाट सबै पुरै algebra बाट एउटा 5 marks question आउने हो. Similarly from this arithmetic portion 1 question of 5 marks. Here from geometry question of 1 marks and from equation 1 marks. यो त्यसरी 4 वटा question 5 marks question. 5 for the 20, 4 marks, 5 marks question, 4 questions. Similarly 10 question of 4 marks, 17 question of 2 marks and 6 question of 1 mark. 100 marks को final exam हाम्रो हुन्छ. This is the specification grade for grade 9 mathematics. Okay, this is the course of content which we have to study here in grade 9, and we'll start the topics from here. Near about all PowerPoint slides are made because I taught in grade 9 last year also. 9 class ma, in 8 class I taught you after this Chaitra, that means from Baishakh in new schedule. Before that I was teaching in grade 9. So near about all slides are there. Chapter of 14 and 15, those are missing. Chapter similarity and construction. For construction we don't need slides, we have to construct directly. For similarities it is missing. I haven't taught that. That was completed in physical classes. And of slide changes I'll do before teaching you. Same, I don't want to give you same question as last year's. अघिल्लो वर्षको स्टुडेन्टलाई जे पढाए त्यही पढाउनु पर्छ भन्ने छैन. Slide changes I'll do here, and that is the normal thing. And another thing I want to discuss with you is for this Zoom meetings for our classes, there is a bit problem of time. It ends in 40 minutes. अहिले पनि 6 minutes बाँकी छ. near about 34 minutes complete भइसकेको छ. 6 minutes मात्रै बाँकी छ. So if I'll unable to complete my target, then I have to say students please rejoin again. So I am thinking about using any other platform instead of Zoom. If school will notice about our digital Nepal application, त्यहाँबाट Zoom login गरेर पढाउने भन्ने कुरा छ. If it will not start, I'll think about any other option. So that is,
Yes, sir.
Maybe you know about these 2 other platforms. जस्तो यहाँ भर्खर हामीले कसरी बुकहरु डाउनलोड गर्ने भन्ने कुरा यहाँ सिक्यौं. Next thing is about the VOOV. Have you heard about it previously?
No, sir.
ल यहाँ हेर त, it is also similar to Zoom जस्तै छ, not different than Zoom. A bit difference is there in VOOV meeting is it has unlimited time for 300 participants. सबै कुरा Zoom को जस्तै छ, बाँकी फरक के मात्रै छ, यसमा 300 participants join गर्न सक्छन्, and we can run our class unlimitedly without any barrier. 40 minutes मा class in हुँदैन. यो अहिले भर्खर मैले यहाँ एउटा टाइप गरेको थिएँ VOOV meeting भने यस्तो देखाउँछ Google मा, and we have to click on download. For mobile users you have to go in your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Apple को सेटहरु छ, ट्याबहरु छ भने Apple Store मा जानु पर्यो. उता Google Play मा गयो भने त्यहाँबाट डाउनलोड गर्नुपर्छ. VOOV meeting टाइप गरे भने आइहाल्छ. Okay, you got it?
Yes, sir.
We'll think about it after few days, after notice of school. School ले notice गरेर Zoom बाट digital Nepal application use गर्छौं भने त ठिक छ, otherwise we will go through it. Okay, त्यसपछि यहाँ
Okay, sir.
डाउनलोड मा क्लिक गर्नु पर्यो. डाउनलोड मा क्लिक गरिसकेपछि यो डाउनलोड हुन्छ. It will start the downloading. I will show something what is there inside it. Zoom भन्दा फरक त्यति मात्रै हो कि यसमा unlimited time plus 300 participants छ. Other using procedure is same. Exactly यस्तै छ. Mute, video, security, participants, chat, other things are exactly similar to it. And another tool is there, that is Google Meet. Maybe you know about it. यो बाहेक हामीले Google Meet use गरेर पनि class run गर्न सक्छौं. That also have unlimited time for unlimited participants. Just I want to show it after it download completes. From tomorrow we'll start our contents of mathematics from chapter of set, or which chapter you want to learn at first?
Algebra.
Algebra.
New topic.
New topic, probability, commission and taxation,
Yes.
or home arithmetic. Okay, I'll think about it within today and I'll start it tomorrow.
Sir, for optional math.
So, sir, when will we start reading optional math?
You haven't seen that in routine. दुई दिन राखेको छ सायद, tomorrow and Friday. We have to install it after downloading. सजिलो छ.
Who have taken environment science, they will.
At the same time, Dhananjay Bhatta sir and Bharat Keshi sir will send you the link, and who are optional math student have to join link sent by Dhananjay sir. Who have taken that environmental science, they have to join the link sent by Bharat sir. So 2 links will be sent to you simultaneously at the same time. I installed it and just I want to show it to you. This meeting have time limit less than 1 minute, near about 40 seconds. So some points which I want to show you, I can show you here. अब यसमा हेर त सेम प्रोसेस छ, जुम को जस्तै छ. स्टार्ट, जोइन, शेड्युल, कास्ट स्क्रिन मिन्स शेयर स्क्रिन. लेट मी स्टार्ट इट. त्यहाँ अलरेडी जुम स्टार्ट भएको छ. यसले भिडियो अडियो नमान्न पनि सक्छ. ओके, बिकज आई अलरेडी युज्ड इट. लुक एट दिस वान. आर यु अब्जर्भिङ द स्क्रिन?
Yes, sir.
यसमा पनि सेम छ. म्युट, भिडियो, शेयर स्क्रिन, सेक्युरिटी, इन्भाइट, एटेन्डिज, च्याट, रिकर्ड, सबै अप्सन सेम छ. तर यहाँ लिमिट हामीलाई सजिलो के छ, वी क्यान लर्न फर अनलिमिटेड टाइम. Okay, we'll think about it afterward. Thank you. This much for today. Have a great day.